Hi guys, welcome back to Just an Ordinary Girl. Tonight we're going to make some carrot cake. So what you'll need for this recipe is as follows. 2 cups of white whole wheat flour and 2 cups of white flour. Half a cup of chopped walnuts. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And then we have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon, or I'm sorry, 3/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Let me repeat that. So it's 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then here we have 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Then we have 1 cup of applesauce. We have 3 to 4 medium carrots, shredded. We have a 1/2 cup of raisins. And we have 3 flax eggs. Then you're going to need 1 1/3 cup of maple syrup, or if you're not vegan, you can use honey, but we are vegan, so we use maple. Okay, so the first step you're going to do is you're going to combine your applesauce. Let's combine the vanilla. Combine the carrots. Okay, now we're going to combine the maple syrup. And then lastly, we're going to go ahead and combine the flax egg. Get some more of that syrup out of there. Okay. I'll just go ahead and give that a stir. Okay, now let's go ahead and add in our chopped walnuts and our raisins. And just go ahead and give all that a stir. Combine it well. Okay, now in this bowl, we're going to take our flours and we're going to mix that up. Then we're going to combine our cinnamon and salt, and our baking powder, baking soda, and nutmeg. Give that a good stir. It smells good already. It smells cinnamony. Okay, now once you get them mixed, you're going to go ahead and add the dry into the wet. Give that a stir. I'm going to blend this really well to make yourself a batter. Okay, so once your batter's mixed, make sure you'll have to use your hand to get in there because it's a thick batter, so you can use your hand and mix that up real well. And then once you get your batter, you have to put it in a pie pan, a 10-inch pie pan, and you're going to lay it in there on parchment paper and fill that all up. Okay, now once you have it in your pie pan with the parchment paper, this is 10-inch, you're going to go ahead and bake it at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes or until the center comes out clean. Okay guys, it's been 45 minutes. just take a toothpick, go down in, pull it out. Yep, it's done. Ooh, there you go. So, I want to show you what it looks like on the bottom. Oop. And that's what it looks like on the bottom. So here you go, guys, carrot cake. It's cooling on the rack. Doesn't it look delicious? Like I said, you could put icing on it if you want, or you could leave it plain. When I cut it, I'll show you what the inside looks like. Okay guys, so I decided to go ahead and ice it. I had a little leftover buttercream icing that I made that has a little almond flavoring in it, and it tastes really good. So it almost has a cream cheese flavor. Guys, there it is, all plated up. That's what it looks like on the inside. Doesn't it look delicious? Has the, you can see the raisins, the carrots and walnuts. Yum. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Try this out and tell me what you think. Okay, bye-bye.